Today is an amazing day at the Jewett Orthopaedic Clinic. Today marks the 500th outpatient total joint replacement at our new surgery center.
When it comes to minimally invasive joint replacements, Jewett Orthopaedics is second to none in Orlando.
Our joint replacement surgeons are leaders in groundbreaking joint replacement techniques.
With a rich history of contemporary joint replacement, our outpatient program is unlike any other in the area.
Recognized internationally as a pioneer and leader in orthopedic care for over 80 years.
Our total joint replacement program has led to higher quality, lower costs, and streamlined approach to outpatient total joint replacement care.
Our program boasts a lot of firsts in the world of total joint replacements.
From the first total joint replacement procedures back in the 70s.
Being the first to introduce orthopedic robotic assisted surgery in an outpatient environment in the state of Florida.
Today, we're excited to be celebrating another milestone in orthopedic care with our 500th outpatient total joint at our surgery center.
Dr. Jewett's spirit for innovation, community, and excellence is alive and well, and serves as a guiding light for the future of our practice.
Our minimally invasive groundbreaking procedures are giving patients a shorter recovery and years of pain-free living.
Today we celebrate this amazing milestone with our 500th total joint replacement at our surgery center.
That is 500 stories.
500 lives changed.
500 individuals that are back to the life they love.
We're excited for today's milestone and even more excited about the future success with our outpatient total joint program.